The Accuvix A30 ultrasound system established a new standard in operational convenience with the world's first 21.5-inch LED monitor. It can handle any general imaging needs while providing more accurate image, easier operations, and effortless diagnosis. And by using the Accuvix A30 transducer guide, you can better understand your system and the probe it needs for the service you want to provide. The Samsung Accuvix A30 is a Samsung upgrade to the already potent Accuvix XG and adds powerful high-resolution 4D imaging meant to compete with GE HD Live from the Volution E6 and S8. This ultrasound machine provides frequent high accurate image, uncompromising image quality, support clinical decision making, and reduce uncertainty for increased diagnostic confidence. High-bit beamforming engine users can analyze data more precisely through better processing thanks to improved hardware and freshly introduced software engines. This hybrid beamforming engine allows for greater high-resolution imaging with fewer artifacts, higher contrast resolution, and improved Doppler performance. 21.5-inch Full HD LED monitor. With the release of the world's first 21.5-inch HD LED ultrasound monitor, the Accuvix A30 introduced high-resolution image representation. The new, wider monitor provides superior performance by adapting both advantages from CRT and LCD monitors: high contrast and high resolution. DMR Plus is a fully new engine that combines Samsung software and improved picture quality. It includes a noise reduction processor that improves edge enhancement and reduce noise. HD volume imaging. HDVI provides better and more accurate pictures by applying unique filtering that eliminates undesirable noises while simultaneously increasing visualization of edge and tiny features in volume data. Enhanced DPDI. The color Doppler with enhanced DPDI features a color sensor that can detect peripheral blood vessel population. This device is ideal for detecting color changes in blood vessel.
Bismillah. The safety class for Samsung ultrasound Accuvix A30 is class 1, type BF or CF. Okay, for power supply, for turn on the device, the product should turn on 10 seconds after the power switch at back of the product is turned on. Okay, for turn off, pressing the on-off button for longer than 5 seconds will immediately turn the power off and result in damage to the hard disk.
Okay, now I will talk about the parameters of Samsung Accuvix ultrasound. So the parameters is it use 100 to 240 volt of voltage, and it use 1100 VA, and the frequency for this ultrasound is 50 or 60 Hz. So it also use voltage of 100 to 120 or 200 to 240 volt of voltage. So for the dimensional mode for the Samsung Accuvix ultrasound, it use M mode, 2D mode, pulse wave spectral Doppler or PW spectral Doppler, continuous wave Doppler or CW Doppler, color Doppler, tissue Doppler imaging TDI, tissue Doppler wave TDW, power Doppler, directional power Doppler, color M mode, anatomical M mode, and it also use 3D or 4D mode.
Hello, Assalamualaikum guys. Today I want to talk about the application and the limits of Samsung Accuvix A30 diagnostic ultrasound. Okay, for the application, they can be used in using this machine is you can perform genealogy, urology, cardiac, vascular, MSK, TSD, and anything else that relate that we can use this machine. Okay, for the limits, there are 3 points. It's about humidity limits, temperature limits, and the pressure limits. For the pressure limits, it can be operating is about 700 HPA to 1060 HPA. For the storage, also the same. It can be operate in 700 HPA to 1060 HPA. For the humidity, they can be operating 30% to 70%. For the storage and shipping, they should be keeping in 20% to 90% of humidity humidity. So the temperature limits when operating this machine is about 10 degrees Celsius until 35 degrees Celsius. For storage and shipping this machine is about 25 degrees Celsius until 60 degrees Celsius. That's all today. I hope this information can give you the knowledge about the application and the limits of this machine. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. That we can go.